Good morning, dear students. This is our second part of lesson 8. Now we are continuing. Cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the body of an organism. What are the parts of cells? The parts of cells are cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Cell membrane. Look this picture. Here we can see cell membrane. It is also called plasma membrane. It is the outer covering of the cell which allow movement of substances from both the direction. It also give shape to the cell. The structure of cell membrane is basically same in cells of all plants and animals. An additional layer surrounding the cell membrane in plant cells are called cell wall. It is the thick and rigid cover made up of cellulose. It provides shape to plant cells and protect them from variations in temperature, high-speed wind and atmospheric moisture, etc. Look this picture. It is an animal cell. Example, cheek cell. Here we can see the cell membrane but not the cell wall. That means cell wall only found in plant cells. Then cytoplasm. The jelly-like substance filled between the cell membrane and nucleus is known as cytoplasm. It has many organelles suspended in it. These organelles are the tiny organs of the cell. Examples: mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, plastids, vacuoles, etc. The cytoplasm is present in both animal and plant cells. Then nucleus. Nucleus is an important component of the living cell. It is generally spherical or oval in shape. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a double-layered membrane are called nuclear membrane. This membrane is also porous and allow the movement of materials between cytoplasm and the nucleus. Look this picture. Nucleus is present in both of the cells. In plant cell, nucleus is present on the periphery or any one of the side because of water-filled large vacuole in the center. In animal cell, nucleus is located in the center. A small spherical body in the nucleus is called nucleolus. In addition, nucleus contain thread-like structure are called chromatin threads. These carry gene. What is gene? Gene is a unit of inheritance in living organisms. It controls the transfer of a hereditary characteristic from parents to offspring. That means gene transmitted some characters of our parents to us. Nucleus controls all the activities of cells and also helps in inheritance. In plant and animal cell, nucleus is same because they are both eukaryotic cells. Then what are eukaryotic cells? The cells having well-organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotic cells. Example, plant cells and animal cells. The organisms having eukaryotic cells are called eukaryotes. Example, all organisms. Cow, amoeba, trees, grass, etc. The cells having nuclear materials without nuclear membrane are called prokaryotic cells. The organisms with prokaryotic cells are called prokaryotes. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae. Look these pictures. We can see blue colored vacuoles in both cells. In animal cell, several small vacuoles are present, but in plant cell, only one but large vacuole is present. A central vacuole is needed to store water for the plants to live. Again look these pictures. A double-layered membraned sac-like organelles present in algae and plant cells are called plastids. It is responsible for manufacturing and storing of food. These contain pigments that are used in photosynthesis. They are different colors like chloroplast, leucoplast and chromoplast. The green colored plastids are called chloroplast, which provide green color to the leaves. Green color in leaves contain chlorophyll, which is essential for photosynthesis. Table 8.1, a comparison of plant cell and an animal cell. Here given part first, cell membrane, which is present in plant cell and animal cell also present. Cell wall, which is present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Nucleus, which is present in plant cell and animal cell. Nuclear membrane, which is also present in plant cell and animal cells. Cytoplasm, present in plant cell and animal cells. Plastids, it is only found in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Then vacuole, present in plant cell. It is very big and only one. But in animal cell, many but they are very small. These are our topics. Question answers write on copy and study well. Okay, thank you.